Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony RMT-NWS20 remote controller that controls like a Walkman and stuff like that, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you'd want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this controller is not controlling your device, it doesn't seem to be responding or connecting to your device or anything like that, you can fix this by just resetting it and then repairing it with your device. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to pair this on a new device or something like that, you can just have it delete all of its previous pairings and it'll be like it's new coming out of the box. And then you can go ahead and pair it with a new Walkman that you want it to control. Anyways, if you want to do this, it's really very simple to do. All we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to find the play button and the volume down button. And we're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. And you'll know that it's worked when you'll get on the little indicator light. It will flash 4 times in blue, indicating that the reset is complete. Then you can go ahead and pair it with whatever device you want to use it on.